Hey, Bon Beanie, everybody, from Not Down Under, but I'm Matt, and this is...
Well, you don't know my name. I have to introduce myself.
I just thought I'd give you the opportunity.
I'm Kimbra.
That's Kimbra. I know her name.
Now I'm questioning it.
Look, we got something really cool. I have these friends in Australia. I've met them. You haven't even met them yet, but that's probably going to change at some point.
I hope so.
Yeah, and that is David and Sue Burgess, and it was such a cool thing meeting them like last year, and they brought me this cool package of stuff, and they sent another package, this time through the post. So this came all the way from Australia right here, and we thought we'd have a little fun, open it up, see what's inside, and I think there's a lot of edible stuff.
Yeah, what's it? It says something on it.
It does, actually, I don't want to put their address on there, but it says Aussie food, for example, Lollies and Biscuits. So, we're expecting some Lollies and Biscuits.
Lollies and Biscuits. Will you share them with me?
I will, yes.
All right.
All right, so I've got scissors. Look at that. Other people do unboxings with like huge knives and stuff. Look at me, all mature and stuff using scissors. Ruin all my fun. So I'm going to cut this open very carefully as to not cut open any of the contents inside.
Do not cut the lollies.
Don't cut the lollies. There we go. All right, let's see what we've got here.
All right.
Let's see what we've got. We've got...
What is it?
Freddo's, here we go. Freddo's Daily Milk.
Dairy milk.
Dairy milk. I can't read because I'm... No.
Are they frogs?
That looks like a frog. It's a frog in a chocolate boat.
All right.
Let's, it's from Cadbury. So, you know, we have Cadbury here in the United States, but there's a lot of Cadbury stuff in other countries, and it's different. Now, it feels a little bit smushy, but I don't know how long. Oh, it looks like it's okay.
All right.
Let's open one up and check it out.
All right.
Freddo.
Let's see.
Come on, Freddo. It's a chocolate frog. It's like a Harry Potter thing.
It's a
chocolate frog.
Chocolate frog. It's like it's all coming around in one big circle.
Look at that.
All right.
You having trouble there?
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Candy wrappers are a lot tougher in Oz. Did you know that? Oh, look at that.
It's a frog.
It's a frog, chocolate frog.
He's a little melty, but I mean, he traveled a long way.
Are you going to bite him?
Yeah, can I bite his head off?
Sure. Yeah?
You want to bite him? He tastes pretty good. I'm ready to eat more frogs.
Good chocolate.
Uh-huh.
Well, let's see what else we got.
Okay.
Oh, these are mine. It says Allen's. Allen's, right there. They had these last time. Snakes Alive. Look, I remember, these are gummies, right? But they're Australian-made gummies. I remember these tasting really good. Like, I'm a gummy fan.
Better than all the other gummies?
I remember them being pretty good.
Okay.
We're going to find out. What do you think these are? Like Eastern Brown?
Rat snakes? Like Guinness?
It's like, yeah. Well, you know, our snake is from Australia. You could be eating.
Right.
Yeah, you could be eating our snake, Zilly.
Is he
it's a Zilly snake.
Look, he's even got like little scalies.
Yeah. Oh, well.
Mmm.
That's good. This is made by Nestle.
That is a good snake.
Mm-hmm. It says, create smiles and deliciously soft and juicy snakes alive. Stretch one, twist one, and try two of your favorite flavors together, then bite the squishy heads off. Enjoy a burst of juicy flavor. Enjoy the yummy flavors. Zesty lemon, luscious strawberry, juicy blackberry, tasty pineapple, and sweet apricot.
What kind do you think that was?
I don't know. It was green.
It was good. Whatever it was good.
It was a good one. All right.
What's next?
Let's see what else we got here. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that. Vegemite packets?
Yes.
You can take those to work.
Oh, that's perfect. Perfect. Oh, look at it. It even says perfect for when you're out and about because you can take them anywhere.
It's like we knew before we read it. 10
happy little portions of Vegemite. I like Vegemite. I didn't try it until they actually brought me some, and I had always heard about it from like Down Under, Men at Work Down Under, and I love it. I love Vegemite. I think I should have been Australian.
I'd be okay with that.
I want to go to Australia. Then you wouldn't know me though. But
Oh, true.
let's see what else we got here. Oh, okay. These are not edible. What are these?
Oh.
Oh, Vegemite. These are emus and koalas.
Are they stencils?
I think they're stencils.
Yeah, they're stencils.
Emu
says it.
and a koala. It's a stencil. That's awesome.
That's so cool.
Made by Vegemite. We've got 2 emus, a koala. I'm butchering the accent. I apologize. Oh, there's some more. Hang on.
Oh, there's more?
So
Another koala.
Another koala. Let's see what else we got. So I think there's another. Oh, and
Another koala.
We got lots of koalas.
Koala. Can I say it? Koala.
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 Am I doing it?
Listen to this is like me trying to teach her how to speak Australian. Koala.
Koala.
Wobbegong.
Wobbegong.
All right. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, okay. So TimTams. The last time I was given a whole lesson on how to drink hot coffee through a TimTam.
Okay.
And I failed miserably, but apparently I provided a lot of comic relief for the people back.
Are we gonna try it? Because I didn't get to try it.
We can try it, but maybe we'll save these for the end then.
Okay.
Because we'll have to brew up a little pot of coffee. A little cup of coffee.
Oh.
Let's see what else we got here.
We've got a friend here. I don't know if you can see him. Reno's joining us.
Reno's here.
Ooh.
More of my stuff. Alan's party mix.
Oh.
And it's got a banana and a strawberry.
Probably says on the back what it is. What does it say?
Create smiles with the whole family as you open a bag of Alan's party mix. It's the perfect mix with your favorite for everyone. Party mix contains bananas, peaches and cream, milk bottles, strawberries and cream, black cats, red frogs, jelly babies. It's like Doctor Who, and snakes.
Ooh. I'm not a big fan of milk, but I'm real curious about the milk bottles.
I don't think this is gonna taste like milk. Let's see. Okay, that's probably a strawberry and cream. You
Yeah,
wanna try that?
I can try that.
And then, oh look, there's a snake.
Yeah.
There's a banana.
You cannot have any of this. Will you get down, please? Thank you.
I want to see if I can find a milk bottle in here. Hello, milk bottle. Oh, this is hang on. That's a jelly baby. Jelly baby.
Probably shouldn't put it on that.
That's true. There's a black cat. I'm gonna try a black cat. If it's like licorice.
Well, then I'm gonna try this jelly baby.
Okay.
Because it looks purple. Cheers.
Cheers.
Is that what we're doing?
Cheers. Yeah. Black licorice. I like it.
I don't know what flavor the jelly baby is.
It's probably like a blackberry or something. Australians make the best licorice, just so you know. I just actually bought some licorice from Australia.
Yeah.
And they sell it in some of the stores.
Like I can smell it in your mouth. Where's the milk bottle?
Where's your milk bottle? Okay. We'll split the milk bottle.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's better than the jelly baby. Sorry.
That's pretty good.
It tastes like marshmallow.
Yeah, a little bit.
Not bad.
Very cool.
All right. Cool.
All right. Well, let's get a little bit of coffee going, and we'll attempt number 2 at the TimTam and coffee.
Attempt number 1 for me.
Coming up real soon. And we're back with coffee.
Coffee.
I got some creamer in there. And before I do the TimTam experiment, though, we noticed one more thing in the bag.
What is it?
Now, a few weeks back, or a couple weeks back, there was a comment made by David Burgess in one of the I think it was in the Fintastic cruising community, or it was somewhere.
Yeah.
If you don't follow this guy, he has some of the funniest posts ever. And he made a comment that said something about blowing the spots off a Dalmatian.
Yeah.
And I thought that was really hilarious.
You did.
Free spots, free Dalmatian spots blown off one owner dog. Please note, glue not included. He literally sent me the spots blown off of a Dalmatian. I didn't see this right away when we were doing the opening. Otherwise, so you missed the initial response.
He sent you Dalmatian spots. Hey, Reno. Reno, come over here.
Maybe Reno's a Dalmatian.
Come here. Get up here. Look. Glue's not provided, but let's see. He's like, no.
He ain't having it. Thank you guys. First of all, before I even do this and make a fool of myself, thank you, David and Sue, so much. It brightened my day, my month, my year by sending all this stuff. Wow, just thank you so much. Just really cool.
It was awesome.
So appreciated. I love Australia. I love you guys. And this was really, really awesome. So Seriously? That's my new thing. I combine words and then make up new ones. Seriously, thank you very, very much. All right, so we've got the Tim. Have you ever had a TimTam?
I have tried a TimTam, yes.
Have you? Okay. So here's what I was told. Okay, you bite one end off.
Okay.
And the other end off, and then you the coffee.
Okay.
Now look, last time I tried this, it ended up as a chocolatey disaster. But I think I know what I was doing wrong. I think the coffee was too hot.
So it's cooled off.
That's my theory. I've got a little bit cool. It's still hot. It's still warm.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to try it.
So I'm going to let you go first.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm biting off one end. That's good. I don't know if I got that bite right. I may need to try another one.
The other end?
Oh. Okay. There we have it. Okay, here we go.
Sounds like something's slurping up.
I'm not getting anything.
No? Let me try.
Ah,
do you need a
it's
napkin?
dissolving.
Hold on.
Oh, clean.
Here. Wipe your face off. All right. So, bite one end.
Yep.
All right.
Okay. And then you gotta bite the other end, so it makes like a straw.
Okay.
Hey, this is a problem. This is a solver. I can't talk tonight. This will solve all of our straw problems. Just give people TimTams.
How is it? There's no holes in there. How's it suck through it?
Look, it's not that spongy stuff.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I say that. I just failed again, so go for it. All right, here we go. You get anything? Why can't I do this?
Now it's soggy.
Did it work though?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try it again. All right, here we go. This is science. You got to do like multiple trials. Okay, got one in though. And the other end.
Getting anything? You got it? He's getting it. Yeah, but if you stop, it gets soggy.
It does.
There's another napkin. Are you happy? You just need someone to show you how to do it. I'm gonna do it one more time. One.
You really got to suck at it for it to work. That was really good too.
Uh-oh. This one broke. It might not work.
You broke it on purpose just so you could get another TimTam. I'm on to her. All right.
I got a bit. This is fun.
I'm sure this is all diet friendly too. All right, thank you guys for watching out there. If you did like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up. Let us know, let David and Sue know that you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to hit that bell so you're notified every time a new video comes out to Fintastic Studios. I'm going to say, until next time, g'day mates.
And have a fantastic day.
Cheers.
You want some coffee?
Oh, yeah. Actually, I just want a TimTam. Whoa, whoa.
I'm gonna drink this and be up all night. Reno, come here. Let me try and put some spots on you again. Come here. Come here. Say hi to the camera.